Hi all, cheers to everyone. So in this video, we are going to see about world's best natural painkiller, tears. The peak level of emotions are responsible for these tears. Okay, first of all, we want to know whether tears are good or not. Tears are good for your eyes. It plays an important role in emotional and social communications. The peak level of your emotions may be expressed through these tears. Okay? Please comment below if you have any peak level emotions. There are two systems that are responsible for these tears. They are lacrimal system and limbic system. Lacrimal system is more and more important because lacrimal gland, it is present in the eyes, right? So these glands are responsible for producing tears. So lacrimal gland location is next to the eyeball. It is responsible for both secretion and both excretion. It is produced in response to strong emotions, stress, sadness, all kind of mixture of emotions are responsible for this lacrimal system. That gives tears. Okay. Second one is limbic system. These are also responsible for this tears. Why do we need tears? For what purpose we want tears? Did anyone ever thought of this? To keep the eyeball moist. Our eyeball should be moist at every time and to keep the eyes healthy, to fight against infection. In my personal view, I want to tell an answer for this. That is, mostly it is used to remove the wastes from the eyes. So all of our infections and our wastes are removed through these tears. So tears are very, very useful and it is responsible for removal of wastages. Okay. Next, it is a natural painkiller. Why it is called as natural painkiller? It has leucine enkephalin. So this chemical substance is a natural painkiller which makes us feel better after a better cry. Okay. This is leucine enkephalin. Then types of tears are there. There are three types of tears. Basal or basic tears, irritant or eyewash tears, psychic or emotional tears. Basic tears are generally when you see someone or when you see something else, you will get literally some basic tears. Eyewash tear means after washing your faces or after washing with any water, tears in certain cases you will get tears. That is going to be eyewash tears. Or irritant or certain irritants, if it touches your eyes, it may give eyewash tears. Then psychic or emotional tears, when your emotion is in the peak level, it gives emotional tears. Okay, let's see certain interesting facts about tears. There are certain diseases that are caused due to abnormal secretion of tears and due to decreased secretion of tears. Let's see what are all the diseases. First one is crocodile tears or Sjogren syndrome. This is due to abnormal secretion of tears. It is a crocodile tear syndrome or Sjogren syndrome. Generally in India, most of the people used to say, if a person were crying means they used to say, "Mudala kannir vadikada." They used to say, that is, don't make crocodile tears. Actually, in olden age, I don't know for what purpose they said this, but with certain aspects, right? So, from that, what I understood means, actually, crocodile tears is a syndrome. It is a disease, okay? Why it is said to be a disease? Because when a crocodile see its food, it automatically gets tears, okay? So in those conditions, actually crocodile doesn't have a lacrimal gland. But when it is getting tempted to see food, automatically tears arises. In the same way, in human beings also, due to improper nerve recovery, so in case of certain injuries or certain facial accidents or certain surgeries, facial nerve and auriculotemporal nerve, these nerves may be affected. Okay. So when these nerves get recovered, okay, so at the time they both get crushed. So during that time, it causes crocodile tears. Okay. The second reason is mostly it is seen in the cases of Bell's palsy. Okay. It is a disease, right? So it is a nerve disorder, Bell's palsy. And third one, in this case, people tend to cry while eating. Okay. So the second one is due to decreased secretion of tears. First one we saw about abnormal secretion of tears. Second one is decreased secretion of tears. It is said to be dry eye. That is lack of tears. No more tears. Okay. So here it is mostly caused by viral infection, excessive evaporation of tears, and old age. It mostly occurs in old age and menopause. Due to excessive evaporation of tears, it may occur. And these are all the reasons for dry eye. Third one, we are going to see about Sjogren syndrome. So in the syndrome, actually it is an autoimmune disease, okay? So mostly it affects the cells of the lacrimal gland. So lacrimal gland cells are affected, which results in xerostomia and keratoconjunctivitis. These are the two disorders which are the gifts of Sjogren syndrome. And the third one is, it is more common in women, okay? Usually it occurs after menopause. And these are all the disorders that occurs in the tears, that is abnormal tears, and decrease the secretion of tears, okay? And if you like this interesting fact, please support our channel for more videos, and thank you for all your love and support. Thank you for subscribing. Consider subscribing. Bye.